for Casual Squad, and today I'm going to be opening up this LOL.
So it's LOL Surprise Under Wraps.
Yes.
Okay, so it's part of the I Spy series. So hashtag collect LOL, YouTube and Instagram. So 15 surprises, unwrap 7 surprises. All right, looks like there's gonna be a doll, and then this is like the outline of the doll. We'll have to see. We haven't actually opened one of these yet, so we'll have to see what it actually looks like.
I just noticed this. Is this like our pink glow in the dark slime on the table?
Yeah, possibly. There's some of our slime still on the table.
Can I open it?
Yes, you can open it. So there's gonna be 15 surprises.
Yes.
So the first one is the glasses.
Are these I Spy?
So I think, can I say that? I think, try and read that.
Oh, you can see it. You can already see it. It says look for secret clues. And look for secret clues. I was right editing.
So I think you can look for secret clues all over that package and all over the other packages as well.
Okay.
I think.
Oh, I found one already. It is that in the corner.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Well, we'll have to see. All right. Let's keep it. Let's keep.
Okay, I don't think there's any more.
All right. Let's take a look at the next. I think you'll need it for the next one.
Yeah, I probably will.
So let's hope we don't get any LOL injuries.
Yes.
And that wasn't as perfect as the other one.
Yep. Oh, you can see the ball. I never opened one of these before, and it's so cool.
Looks like it's a blue capsule.
Oh, here it is. And
So is that
I have my little thingy bajiggy. It's an arrow with something. Let me see. Oh, arrow down plus fish seashell. So it could be like a mermaid. What
Oh,
is that?
can I see? What does it say? Can I see?
Underwater the sea.
Ooh.
Under
So
the
it could
sea.
be.
Under the sea is gonna be Ariel.
Can I see the thing?
It could be
Alright.
Ariel, and I'm peeking right now. So
Yeah, that's under. And then can't really see that part. Looks like under the sea.
No, I'm going to open this up.
All right, let's see. Can she do it, guys?
Fine, I'll just do it like this.
Oh, what's that?
I just looked it up.
Oh, is it another one?
Yeah?
Oh.
All of them are that.
Oh, I guess that's why they're all the I Spy series.
Yeah. So, there's a crown and jewels, a fire and a snowflake, a candy and a lemon, sweet or sour.
Oh. Oh, I think that's how you. Oh, I think that's how you open up the actual.
Yeah.
It
It says
thing.
something right there, of course, or whatever. Right there. In that corner. Big letters.
It says codes. Okay, so those are all the different codes that could be used,
Yep.
and we'll have to see.
Who's that?
So that's. Oh, look at that! Looks cool.
Yeah.
Now is that like a gold ball then?
I don't know.
Is that like a gold
It's
capsule?
a gold ball, yeah.
Oh, cool.
What's this do?
So yeah, you
What's
have to,
this do?
so that's the different
I have to get a
codes.
code?
You have to do the codes, and then it'll open.
I didn't know that. I didn't know these were hard work.
That's hard
Who
work.
told me that? Not me. Myself. Okay. So.
Nothing comes easy around here.
Yeah.
You gotta work for your toys.
Oh, here it is. And I need the gem. Where's the gem?
Will it be correct? That's the question.
Okay.
Will it be correct?
Nope, not the first one.
No, it's not.
I cannot open it. Can I just like?
No, you have to actually. No, you have to do the code.
Oh, I was just gonna break it.
Don't break it. All right.
Oh, fire and snowflake. Hot or cold?
Hot or cold.
Fire on the first one. Yep.
And then snowflake.
Oh.
Is that one correct?
Dang it!
Oh my gosh.
What do you?
All right, try another one.
Sweet or sour? Sweet or sour? It's gonna be sweet or sour.
Yeah, can this one be sweet and sour?
Where is it? What am I looking for again? Oh, fire. I just had it on fire. Wait, no. Oh, it's a sweet.
It's sweet.
It's a sweet.
It's not fire. You just did the fire.
I know.
Can this be it?
Oh, here it is. And the lemon.
Can she find the lemon? How long is it going to take her?
Oh,
That's
I found
the
it.
question. All right. Is that the one?
No!
Oh my gosh.
How do you press a button? Is it just like
Yeah, you just push it. Can I see? Let's see. Yeah, that's how you push it.
Okay, can I see?
Try another one.
Okay. If none of these work, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm just gonna break this open because I can. Double.
The what?
A double.
A
Look.
double?
It's like a hard face with like an X.
So we finally got it open.
Yeah.
All right, so open it up.
Oh wait, I need the other one.
Yeah, well, take that one out. Don't open it. Let's and then open up the next one.
Okay.
Nope. I said don't open it, and then let's open up the next one.
Oh. I thought you said like
Good
an
listening
open
skills.
one. I do have one. I'm gonna try to sing one and see if they try to trick me. Or I can just try. I know what Jordan's watching right now. Try to see with whatever he's watching now.
Let's open up the next one. They're actually pretty cool when they open up.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be.
Okay, what will be the first shots?
It's not that one.
No.
It's probably one of the other ones.
Probably. That sounds like a good plan there.
Yeah, it's probably.
Let's see. Can she do it?
I can do it. That's good.
Can she do it?
Yes, I can. Then.
No, not that
It's
time.
not the same one. Okay, it's probably
No, it's
the
not.
crown.
It's never the same
Has
one.
to be the crown.
This is hard work. You want your toys? You gotta work for your toys.
Dang it! That was
Right,
the most
LOL?
easiest one to like put it in. Like put in. It was just like flip, 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 flip. Oh, one more for fire.
Let's see.
Snowflake.
Fire and snowflake.
No, fire just no. Dang it.
Oh my gosh. What else could it be? How
It could either
how
be
many
one
is there?
of those two.
All right.
And yeah.
It has to be one of those two, I guess.
Yeah. I'm going to go with this one first. And then the heart. Because that's the one that I want it to be.
And
It opens!
It opens!
Yeah! Let's open this one up first because this one was not nicer to me.
huh.
Anyways,
All right, what's the first thing you get? Oh, you got shoes. Let's take a look at the shoes.
I like those shoes.
There's the shoes.
And now, whatever this thing is.
So it's a good thing they have two shoes.
This water bottle's so cute.
Oh, look at the water bottle.
Now I have to open up this one.
So you have to go. No. So you have to. Is there more?
There's already a code put in for me. Oh my gosh! There's already a code put in for me. That one.
Oh.
Oh no, it's not.
Oh no, you did it already.
Then
Yeah.
how do you open up this? What do you do?
There's one down. There's one down.
Oh. Oh, so you use the same codes.
So do this one first. Do this one first. No. Turn around. No.
No, that one.
This one. The one I'm pointing at.
Wonder which one that is.
First try and I shut it off.
It was already on for me. Like the code was already in. Trying to trick me, but I am outsmarting it.
Oh, what's this one?
Oh, I wish it was like a dress that matched that, but it's still good.
Oh, it's a dress. Pretty cool.
You can use this as a secret box because no one can know your code.
That's true.
That would be awesome.
Oh, I can't get the plastic out.
Well, I can. Or you can try. So it wasn't that one, which is not even a code. And I'm going to try that one. I'm going to try like sweet and sour.
There's the
This
top.
code was practically put in for me.
And there's the
One
dress.
was up there, and then I just swiped it down.
All right, let's see if it's right.
And it's not
Correct?
It's not it.
Is that it?
No.
So remember which ones you've already done, because it's probably not going to be the same ones.
Yeah. So it could be the fire one. Snowflake.
Yeah, fire snowflake.
Yeah. Ugh.
Is it?
Come, my hands are so slippery. Oh, I know. Nope.
Nope, of course not.
Nope.
When we're on camera, it's not going to be the first one. Never.
Yep. There.
But if I shut it off, I bet you money it would have been the first one we pick.
Yep. It is.
Oh,
It's this one. Where does it open? Oh, right here.
it's right there.
Oh, now we gotta see what
Look
she
at that.
looks like.
Oh, open up these ones first.
Oh.
Look.
Well, I already
Oh.
opened up her head. We still don't know.
The excitement's over.
Yay!
So there she is. It's a mermaid.
I didn't see this. Okay.
Super cool.
I didn't see that there was this big there. Oh, little visor. She loves swimming, I can see.
She's I think she probably hangs around the pool.
And school, maybe.
Yeah.
It
So I
looks
guess
like a
so I think you can
school.
take off the mermaid outfit and then put that outfit on.
Oh, she has socks. I didn't know that. That's
She
cool.
does. So I wonder
Where's the checklist? Oh, there's the checklist. We'll look at that in a minute.
because we have no idea what her name is.
Yeah. What do you think her
All
name
right.
is?
Um,
Do you think she likes the beach or like school?
I think
she
so.
likes beach and school.
Probably likes the beach.
Yeah. It's like a beachy, but also like the shirt is like school. That's what I feel like.
All right. So this is actually pretty cool.
It's more like a beach.
It's a lot different than the balls that they've had in the other
I
seasons.
thought the doll was just like this, and I was
So
like, how are you supposed to like get all these accessories on her?
yeah, that would be kind of tough, right?
She looks like a school person. Like her little high socks and like her little uniform that's pink. And
Okay, so here's like the secret message. We are on a top secret mission when our pet went missing. She's got a secret clue. That is the key, and we gotta find her fast. Maybe she's hiding. Want to help us?
No.
And here's the checklist. I wonder which one we got.
Can I see?
I think we got. Which one did we get? Is it the one in the
It's
top?
this one. I'm good at finding them.
Oh, it is too. Yeah. Better than me. So it is Callie Cutie. Callie Cutie.
And
She's from the athletic club.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we could have got Drag Racer.
Can I see?
There's also Kansas Cutie Big City Baby, Bling Queen. Hold on. As If Baby, and the Great Baby, Soul Baby, Thrilla, Countess, Pop Heart, and Bose Baby. Cool.
And you can put this thing in here, and it can be like.
All right, so we'll go get some water and see if it spits, because I think it spits, right, or something.
Yeah. Okay, so no hats allowed actually registered.
No hats allowed in the school.
Yeah, I guess.
So I bet you if she's a caddy, then she's probably a golfer.
Yep.
We love golfing.
Oh yeah, it's filled up. I just want to make sure.
Callie's like, I gotta do it the proper way, not dunk her in the water like we normally do.
Yeah. I want
We'll see if it works, because it never works for us.
Yeah. Because it doesn't usually fit in the mouth. Like, it doesn't, it fits in the mouth. And right now she's making a really big mess.
Of course she is.
Well, one drop.
Don't make a mess.
Yeah. One drop is okay. Just.
Or Callie has to clean it up.
Actually, I don't. Because I just said so. Actually, I probably will have to clean up, but.
All right, what do you think she's gonna do, Callie?
I don't know.
Me neither.
She might spit out her ears.
Yeah, that's possible.
Yeah. Just it doesn't say that. Because, I don't know. But I did get one doll that spits out its ear, and it's being really unique.
It is. It was really unique.
Really
We never had one like that before.
Yeah.
All right, let's empty the water in her mouth. Let's see what she does.
Oh, wait, I forgot. Wait, what? It comes out her ears!
It comes out of her ears. Oh no, she has ear drip.
No, it doesn't come out.
I don't know. Just dunk her in the water.
Guys? Okay, bye-bye.
Dunk her in the water.
Whoa!
Hey, whoa! Scary. All right, let's see.
Wait.
Let's do it over the...
Jeez. She looks like she has a really big head. What are in your mouth? Come on. She can look at you. Okay, anyways, that's...
Oh!
See, I told you it comes out her ears.
It's coming out of her ears.
Like a
Cool.
fountain.
It's all over the table, but it came out of her ears.
Yeah.
All right.
Just clean that up a little bit.
So, who do we get again, Callie?
What?
What's her name again?
Candy Cutie.
Oh, Catty Cutie, right?
Catty Cutie.
Yes. All right. As Callie just cleaned up the table. All right. So remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad.
Yes.
Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of our videos.
Yeah.
What else should they do?
Hit the like button.
Smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below
Share
whether
with your
you've
friends.
got any of these LOL Underwraps before. And if you like ours, share with family and friends. Until next time.
Bye.